Welcome back to the course. In this brand new section, you are going to be learning about arrays. An array is what's called a data structure in programming. We can use arrays in JavaScript to store and organize information. Another type of data structure that you have always worked with is a variable. A variable is great, but the problem with a variable is that you can only store one value in it. With arrays, we can be a lot more flexible. We can store a single string, 50 numbers, or any combination of data types in an array. We can add strings, numbers, booleans, and even another array within an array. Arrays are really powerful because we can add and remove values while our program is even running. The following is the syntax for creating a simple array in JavaScript. We start with our var keyword and then the name for our array. When naming arrays, you follow the same rules as naming a variable. Next, you add an equal sign followed by a pair of brackets. Our brackets here represent our array. We can add strings, numbers, booleans, and any other combination of values to our array. Let's create an array in our program. Let's use an array to represent our to-do list for the day. Let's first create an array. Alright, now I'm going to add a few tasks which I need to do to my array. If you are ever adding multiple items to your array, it might make your code a bit easier to read if you give each item in your array its own line. Let's go ahead and do that right now. There, that looks much better now. Don't forget to indent your values just to make your code a little bit easier to read. So this is how we create an array for our to-do list. In the next lesson, you are going to learn how to access the information in this array and complete our program.